Good morning children. Welcome back to grade 9 mathematics online class. Today we are going to see the continuation of the third chapter Algebra. Dear children, take your third chapter note and write it down. In previous class, 2 questions I gave homework, isn't it? Take your homework and check the answers. Exercise 3.1, ninth sum. Multiply the following polynomial and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. Then first one, p of x is equal to x square minus 9. And q of x also one polynomial is given. Both also multiply. Product we have to find. Okay. Then first polynomial write it. Then second polynomial. Then both also multiply. Okay. First x square you take it. Take x square and multiply with second polynomial. And like that minus 9 and second polynomial should multiply. Okay. Then which is the highest power? Okay. This is the answer. Then degree. What? 4 is the degree. Okay. Then second sum, f of x is given, g of x also given. F of x into g of x is equal to both also multiply. Okay. Answer is 105x square minus 33x minus 18. Okay. Degree is what? Which is the highest power? 2, isn't it? Then degree is 2. Did you get this answer? Check your answers, everyone. Today we are going to see value and zeros of a polynomial. Value and zeros of a polynomial. Okay. Then what is meant by zeros of polynomial? Let p of x be a polynomial if p of a equal to 0. Okay. P of a is equal to 0. Then we say that a is the 0 of the polynomial p of x. Okay. If p of a is equal to 0, then we say that a is the 0 of a polynomial p of x. Okay. Then for example, here p of x equal to x square minus 1. Okay. Then p of x equal to x square minus 1. Here I am substituting here x plus x equal to 1. The value of x equal to 1. I am substituting here. Then here x place we have to substitute 1. Okay. 1 square minus 1. Then equal to 1 square is 1, isn't it? 1 minus 1 is equal to what? 0. Okay. Instead of x, we substituted 1. Okay. We got 0. So, then at once we can write what? X equal to 1. Okay. X equal to 1 is the zeros of a polynomial. Have you understood? Then x place substitute 1. Okay. Then substitute 1 means then we got the answer 0. Okay. Then 0 if you get means which is the 0 of the polynomial? This 1. X equal to 1 is the zeros of a polynomial. Have you understood? Then roots of a polynomial equation. Okay. Next one, roots of a polynomial equation. In general, if p of a is equal to 0, then we say that a is a 0 of a polynomial. Okay. Then p of a, if you get 0 means which is the 0? Then x equal to a. A is the 0 of a polynomial of p of x. Okay. Or this a is the root of a polynomial equation p of x equal to 0. Okay. Then here you say p of x equal to what? X square minus 1. This is the polynomial. Okay. Then here x square minus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation. Okay. What's the difference between this polynomial and equation? Then x square minus 1 equal to 0. Equal to 0 means that is called what? P of x equal to 0. Which implies, then we can write what? X square minus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation. What's the difference between this polynomial and equation? Here P of x equal to x square minus 1. This is the polynomial. Then x square minus 1 equal to 0 means that's a what? Equation. Okay. Then if P of a is equal to 0, we say that a is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Then if you substitute here a substitute in time, if you get 0 means then which is the 0? A is the 0 of the polynomial P of x, or a is the root of the polynomial equation P of x equal to 0. Okay. Then 0 of the polynomial and root of the polynomial both also same. Okay, don't confuse it. Okay. Then x equal to, that value is the 0 of the polynomial or root of the polynomial. Okay. Then the number of zeros depends on the line or curve intersecting x-axis. Okay. Then how we can find the number of zeros in graph? Okay. Then you say this is y-axis is on x-axis, isn't it? X is on y dash. Okay, x dash. Here 1, 2, 3. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here 2, 4, 6. Here also then minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. Okay, here middle 0. Then suppose this is on graph. Okay, and this is the line, isn't it? Then this line intersecting the x-axis. Then how many places? How many points? 1 point, isn't it? Suppose this one y is equal to 1 equation. Here x plus 3 or x plus 1, like that. Okay, x plus suppose x plus 2 means like this we will get one graph, isn't it? Then this line, okay, this line intersecting the cut the x-axis in 1 point, isn't it? So number of zero is equal to what? Number of zeros. Number of zeros is equal to 1. Number of 0 is equal to 1. Like that, one more graph is on x-axis, x dash, y dash. Okay, and then simply I am giving one graph here. You see here one point is there, isn't it? Here also one point. Here one point. Here also one point. Okay, how many points are there? Then this curve then cut the x-axis and how many points? 4 points, isn't it? 4 points. And 4 points means then number of zeros equal to number of zeros is equal to what? 4. Number of 0 is equal to 4. Have you understood? Then this curve cuts the x-axis at how many points here? 4 points. That 4 points is called the number of zeros of this graph. Okay. So what is given here? The number of zeros depends on the line or curves intersecting x-axis. Intersecting x-axis. Very clear? Now let's see example 3.7. If f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3, then find the values of f of 1, then f of minus 1, f of 2, f of 3. Then also find the zeros of the polynomial f of s. Also find the what zeros of the polynomial f of x. Okay. Then here f of 1. You have to find what? F of 1, isn't it? Then solution, what is given, first write it. F of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3, isn't it? Then first question, find the value of f of 1. Okay. Then you have to find f of 1. f of 1 is equal to x place you have to substitute 1. Then you say 1 square, then minus 4 into 1 plus 3. Okay, then equal to 1 square is 1, isn't it? 1 minus 4, then plus 3. Okay, positive numbers added, 1 plus 3 is 4, isn't it? Then 4, then minus 4, equal to what? 0. Okay, then the value of f of 1 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore f of 1 is equal to what? F of 1 equal to 0. Okay, therefore here our question is find the zeros of the polynomial f of x. F of 1 substituted and we got the 0. Okay, then which is the 0 of the polynomial? Therefore 1 is the x equal to 1. X place 1 is there, isn't it? X equal to 1 is the 0 of the polynomial of f of x. Okay, have you understood? Then second one. Shall we check one by one? F of minus 1. Okay, here f of minus 1. Then x place we have to substitute minus 1. Then f of minus 1 is equal to minus 1. X place we have to substitute minus 1, the whole square. Then minus 4 into x place minus 1 substitute. Okay, plus 3. Okay, very simple. Then equal to minus 1 the whole square is minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, isn't it? Plus 1. Then minus into minus is plus, isn't it? 4 into 1 is 4. Then plus 4 plus 3. Okay. Then all terms, 3 terms also positive, isn't it? So shall we add? Here 8 is the answer. 1 plus 4 is, and then 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, then here we did not get 0. Okay, so this minus 1 is not a 0 of the polynomial f of x. Okay, then shall we check next one? F of 2. Okay, find the value of f of minus 1 value, we got 8. Okay, then f of 3. F of 3 is equal to x place shall we substitute? Then 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 3. Then equal to 3 square is 3 into 3, isn't it? 3 3s are 9. Then minus 4 3s are 12 plus 3, isn't it? Then positive value added. Okay, 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, then here f of 3 also we got the answer. F of 3 is equal to what? 0. Okay. Then next one. Sorry. Here f of minus 1 over. Then f of 3 also I written here. Before one more question. Then f of 2. Okay. F of 2 also shall we check? F of 2 is equal to. Okay. F of 2. This one f of 3 last one. Then a previous question is f of 2. Okay. Then f of 2, 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 3. Okay. Then equal to 2 square is what? 2 2s are 4. Then minus 8 2s are 4 2s are 8 plus 3. Okay. Then positive values added. Here 7 minus what? 8, isn't it? 7 minus 8 is minus 1. Okay. Then first question you got the answer. Find the value of f of 1. F of 1, what's the value? 0. Okay, f of minus 1, what's the value? F of minus 1 is equal to 8. Okay, then f of 3, what's the value? 0. Then f of 2, the value of f of 2 is what? Minus 1. Okay, then also find the zeros of the polynomial f of x. Here, from here, which is the zero of the polynomial you should find out. Okay, since here the value of the polynomial f of x at x equal to 1, and x equal to 3, okay, is which one? 0 is the answer. Okay, then as the zero of the polynomial of f of x are which one? 1 and 3. Okay, shall we write the answer? Since the value of the polynomial f of x at x equal to 1, okay, x equal to 1 and x equal to 3 is 0. As the zero of polynomial, which is the zero of the polynomial f of x, or and x equal to 1 and which one? X equal to 3, isn't it? Then 1 and 3. Understood? Very simple this question. Next one, example 3.8. Find the zeros of the following polynomial. First one, f of x equal to 2x plus 1. Then second one, f of x equal to 3x minus 5. Okay, there are two questions are given. Then solution. First one, f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, here f of x equal to, afterwards what is given you will see. Okay, then find the zero of the polynomial. Zero of the polynomial means x equal to what? Okay, x equal to what? That's the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, then f of x or p of x given means also here f of x is equal to what is given here, that one you should take it. Okay, 2x plus 1 equal to 0, you should take it. Okay, we have to take 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, then we need x value, isn't it? So, 2x you keep here. Then this 1 have to bring next side. Side it will change, minus 1 we will get. Okay, therefore, x equal to, from here x equal to minus 1 divided by this 2 have to bring down. Okay, here x equal to, what's the value? X equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, here what is given? F of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Shall we check here? Then here f of, here x place we have to substitute minus 1 by 2. Okay, x place we have to substitute minus 1 by 2. Then equal to is 2 into, then x place minus 1 by 2 we have to substitute. Okay, into this one, into plus 1. Okay, 1 2 is 2, here also 1 2 is 2. Yeah, we can cancel this 2. Okay, then 1 into minus 1 is on minus 1. Okay, plus 1. Okay, plus minus 1 plus 1 is, what's the value? 0. Okay, f of minus 1 by 2. F of minus 1 by 2 is equal to, since f of minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, which is the zero of the polynomial? X equal to minus 1 by 2 is the zero. Is the zero of which one? F of x. Zero of f of x. Understood? Very good. Then next one. f of x is equal to 3x minus 5. Okay, f of x is equal to 3x minus 5. Then f of x equal to, afterwards what is given should write here. Okay, 3x minus 5 equal to 0, you should take it. Okay, then 3x equal to this minus 5 we have to bring next sign it will change, plus 5 we will get. Okay, therefore x equal to 5 divided by this 3. Okay, divided by 3. Therefore x equal to 5 by 3 we got, isn't it? And this x value we have to substitute here. F of x place 5 by 3 substitute. Okay, then equal to 3 into x plus 5 by 3 substitute. Okay, then minus 5. Then 1 3 is 3. Here also 1 3 is 3. Okay, 1 into 5 is 5. Minus 5 is equal to what? 0. Okay, then which value substituted then we got 0? 5 by 3, isn't it? X equal to 5 by 3. Then substitute here, we got the answer 0. So since f of 5 by 3 is equal to 0, therefore x equal to 5 by 3 is the 0 of which one? F of x. X equal to what? That's the 0. Okay, x equal to 5 by 3 is the 0 of p of x. Very clear? Now exercise sum. Exercise 3.2, first one. Find the value of the following. F of y is equal to 6y minus 3y square plus 3. And third one, now I am giving, okay, first two questions homework for you. Okay, then y is equal to 0. Third one, y is equal to 0. Okay, then third one, here f of y and what? Y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Okay, then y is equal to 0, the y place we have to substitute 0. Okay, here what is given? F of x, then f of y, isn't it? F of y is equal to 6y minus 3y square plus 3. Okay, then y place we have to substitute 0. Okay, then f of 0 is equal to 6 into 0 minus 3 into 0 the whole square plus 3. Okay, then 6 into 0 is, what's the value? 0. Any number into 0 is 0 is the value, isn't it? Then minus 3 into 0 square is 0, isn't it? Minus 0. Okay, then plus 3. Okay, then 0 minus 0 is 0. Then plus 3 is what? 3. Okay, therefore f of y, then f of y at y is equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to what's the value? Find the value of the polynomial. F of 0 is equal to 0 is the answer. Have you understood? F of 0 only. There is the question. Find the value of the polynomial. Which is the polynomial here? Then f of y. From there, y is equal to 0. Y place is 0 substitute. That means what's the answer? That's the question. Okay. F of 0 is equal to what? 3. Very clear? Next, second question. If p of x is equal to x square minus 2 into root 2x plus 1. Find p of 2 root 2. Okay, find p of 2 root 2. Okay, what is given? First write it. Given polynomial is what? P of x is equal to x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1. Okay, in that place, here x place we have to substitute 2 root 2. That's the question. Important question this one. Okay, 2 root 2 is equal to, then x place we have to substitute 2 root 2 the whole square. Very clear? X place 2 root 2 the whole square minus 2 root 2 into, okay, into x. X what's the value? 2 root 2 plus 1. Then equal to 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 is, what's the value? Here root 2 into root 2 is root 2 into root 2 is equal to what's the value? And 2 is the answer. Okay. So here you see 2 2s are 2 into 2 is 4, isn't it? Then 4 into which one? Root 2 the whole square is 2. Very clear? 2 square is 4. Root 2 the whole square is 2. Okay. And how it will come? Root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. Okay. Then minus. Here 2 2s are 4, isn't it? 2 2s are 4. 4 into. Then 2 in, root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. Very clear? Then plus 1. And equal to 4 2s are 8 minus, then 4 2s are 8 plus 1 and equal to 8 minus 8, this 2 we can cancel. 8 minus 8 is 0. Then remaining 1. Okay. Therefore, P of 2 root 2 is equal to what's the answer? 1 is the answer. Have you understood this one? 2 root 2 the whole square. That means 2 square. 2 square means 4. Root 2 the whole square is 2. Root 2 the whole square. That means root 2 the whole square. We can write what? Root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is what? Then the square root of 2 into 2. Isn't it? 1 2 we can take outside. Okay. Then 2 is the value. Very clear? Next, third sum. Find the zeros of the polynomial in each of the following. First one, P of x equal to x minus 3. Okay. This example sum already we learned, isn't it? Here, what is given first write it. Okay. P of x equal to, then what is given. Okay. That value we have to take here. X minus 3 equal to 0. Equal to 0 have to take. Okay. Therefore, x equal to what? We should find. X equal to, here minus 3 is there. If you bring an extra sign, then plus 3 we will get. Okay. Then x equal to 3. This x equal to 3 we have to substitute here. Then P of x place 3 and substitute. Then equal to 3 minus 3. Okay. Then equal to 3 minus 3 is what? 0. Okay. P of 3 is equal to 0 we got, isn't it? Then since P of what? P of 3 is equal to 0, then which is the 0 of the polynomial? Then x equal to 3 is the 0 of which one? P of x. Suppose f of x means f of x, write it. Here P of x is given, then P of x we should write it. Okay. Then fourth sum, second and third homework for you. Then fourth one, f of z is equal to 8z. Okay, f of z is equal to 8z. This is the polynomial. Okay. Then 8z, f of z afterwards what is given? 8z. That 8z we have to take here. 8z is equal to 0. Therefore, z equal to 0 divided by this 8. Okay, 0 divided by any number is 0 is the answer. Therefore, z equal to 0. Then here f of z place have to substitute 0. Okay. Then 0 is equal to 8 into, then z place 0 substitute. 0 is what? 0. Okay. Which number substitute in time we got 0? Z is equal to 0 substitute in time we got 0. Okay. Then write the answer since f of 0 is equal to, f of 0 is equal to 0. Then here z, isn't it? Therefore z is equal to 0 is the 0 of which one? F of z. Here variable is z. That's the difference. Here variable is what? X. Here variable is z. That's the difference. Okay. Then last one, fifth sum. P of x is equal to ax. Okay. P of x equal to ax. P of x afterwards what is given? Ax, isn't it? That ax we have to take here. Ax equal to 0. Then x equal to 0 divided by this a. A is the letter, isn't it? Here variable. Here, but one condition here given, when a is not equal to 0. Here this a is not equal to 0. Suppose 0 divided by 0. Here also 0 if you get means that is infinitive. Okay. But here what is given? A is not equal to 0. So here any 0 divided by any number is what? 0. Therefore x equal to 0. Okay. Therefore P of x place we have to substitute this 0 here. Then equal to a into what? 0. Equal to a into 0 is any numbers into 0 is what? 0. Any letter into 0 also 0 only. Okay. Then how we can write the answer? Since P of 0 is equal to 0. Then therefore x equal to 0 is the 0 of the following of P of x. Have you understood, children? Then note your homework. Exercise 3.2, first one, first two sum. Subdivision 1 and 2, homework for you. Third one, second subdivision, third and sixth one, homework. Okay. Then today itself you complete the same model homework. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can call me in the doubt clearing session. Okay, done. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.